Welcome to Roca One Day Design Challenge.
Design or redesign a bathroom element adapted to tiny houses. And the competition starts now. Good luck.
I think the most valuable experience for me is about having the insight that many very newborn Chinese designers really have the talent and also can have the desire to participate in such kind of design competition.
I think we're really inspired by this project. You know, we are in China and population grows up day after day, and we need to find a solution for this population. How can we design or just imagine a new solution to live in a small space?
刚刚一进来就觉得那个场面特别的震撼，然后这么多的学生，然后都非常努力的在那个大汗淋漓的在设计，那个气氛就是给我的感觉是特别有活力和这个 energy 的这样的一种感觉。
So 8 hours is a good start. I believe 8 hours is a good start for manifesting a very strong idea, a very strong concept. I think from that point on, then you develop onto the next stage.
Yeah, I think we would definitely recommend it to anyone and to creatives that's like really want to express themselves and put themselves out there and be able to know like what their limits are, because I think this competition is kind of pushing the boundary for designers.